fun
Hey,
coming your
I'm
way.
Cammy.
And I'm Kern.
From where?
From Kerns Complete Automotive Care.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
So, hey, tell me about that car.
It's broken.
Why is it broken?
Ew.
That's even awesome! No.
Oh, that's better. It has rodents under the hood.
Hey, Kern, what do we do when we find evidence of rodents under the hood?
We call you and tell you you have friends. Do the goofy voice and I'll answer in real time. Real person voice.
Then we'll do some things to clean it up, and we have a process that helps prevent them from coming back. It's a repellent that we use rather than a bait or an attractant or a trap. So it's pretty humane, and it repels the rodents from your vehicle.
It's all about treating people right and doing a good job.
Yeah.
All right, so, stay posted.
Look out for good stuff.
Yeah.